Upgrade your thermostat without guesswork. Match terminal letters and voltages, not wire colors, to avoid system damage and unreliable heating or cooling. When replacing a thermostat, start by turning off power at the furnace or air handler and the circuit breaker, then confirm power is truly off with a non-contact tester at the control board. Do not rely on the old thermostat being dead. Label each wire with its terminal letter, not its color, by removing the thermostat plate and noting exactly which terminal screw each conductor was under. Take a clear, close-up photo and transcribe letters to a paper checklist before disconnecting anything. Verify system type and control voltage at the air handler. Measure between common and the heating or cooling call terminal to confirm 24-volt alternating current or whatever your system uses, because many systems use different voltages or electronics that mimic common colors. Map functions wire for wire, heating call, cooling call, fan, common, auxiliary heat, compressor lockout, and any two-stage or communicating lines. If a wire is unused, cap it and leave it isolated. Never repurpose a conductor without updating both ends and the control board. If terminals at the air handler are push-in or screw type, replicate the exact terminal-to-terminal connection rather than relying on conductor color. If the control board has printed labels, match to those letters and tighten screws to manufacture torque recommendations to avoid intermittent contact. For heat pump setups, confirm reversing valve polarity and auxiliary staging with a meter and reference the outdoor unit wiring diagram. Miswired reversing valves cause the system to run opposite mode. When installing a smart thermostat, ensure the common conductor is present or add a power extender kit per manufacturer instructions. Do not attempt to draw power through fan looping tricks that can confuse the control board. After wiring, restore power and test each function systematically. Call heat, call cool, command fan on, and observe compressor and outdoor unit responses while measuring control voltage during calls to catch voltage drops or short conditions early. One of the biggest mistakes is relying on thermostat wire color code, which causes miswire and furnace lockouts. Fix this by always mapping terminal letters and testing continuity to the air handler before connecting. One of the most common issues is missing or improper common conductor on smart thermostat installs that leads to battery drain or thermostat reboots. Solve it by running a dedicated common wire or using a certified power adapter or the manufacturer's supplied power extender kit, following wiring diagrams and polarity checks. One of the frequent errors is not verifying control voltage and system type, which can let you hook up a thermostat designed for 24-volt alternating current to a millivolt or line voltage system. Prevent this by measuring voltages at the control board, reading the equipment data plate, and referring to both the thermostat and equipment manuals before making connections. BigHomeProjects.com is a searchable directory that helps homeowners locate vetted local HVAC technicians and electricians who follow terminal letter wiring practices and voltage testing standards. It also helps contractors get work by listing verified profiles and customer reviews, so professionals who do wiring by the book connect with people who need skilled installation.